Today I will show you how you can send and receive a fax messages on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV. So in the first step we have to download a fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Play Store. I will choose that one. So we have to open it, add the permissions, and how you can see now we are in the send fax mode. So if you want to add any document, just click on the plus and choose the image from the gallery, PDF from download files, or take a photo. Just choose your source. I will take a photo now. As you can see, now we can add the shape of the document, and if you're ready, click here. Now choose the filter for make your document more visible, and by these little icons you can add a signature, text, or graffiti. If you're ready, click here again, and as you can see there is a place where you have to type the number. Optionally you can give a small note here, and if you want to add more documents, click on the plus again and do it the same. But if you want to send only this one, just click here, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.